Hey everyone, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School, and right now we are about to jump onto our first exercise on for loops. Now that we're through with the basics, it is time to jump onto the second chapter. Okay, and the second chapter this is the content here, you guys. Okay, we're through with the basics. It is time to jump on to for loops, and right after that we'll play around with numbers and then if else statements. In the meantime, I'm working with for loops. Oh, I forgot checking out the first exercise. So this is it right here. We gotta write a program that prints your name 100 times. Again, that doesn't sound so hard from my point of view, but then again, it's not about me, it's about you guys. Am I finding it so trivial? Doesn't mean the same thing applies with you guys, okay? And I'm used to prompting people, so I'll simply go Lwandile. That's all. That's my name. Lwandile. Okay. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Oh, damn. It's called the syntax error, you guys. It's I forgot that keyword, the in keyword. Boom. We've got 100 names, okay? That's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.